Perfectly conrolling your hair doesn't take a second, a minute, or a day. I mean, it takes practice, practice, constant practice, and more practice. Are you ready for this? Brush out your hair to begin with to remove every tangle and section a portion of the hair a little bit, depending on what you feel you can handle. Just section, bearing in mind that the front part of your head in width is actually more than your back part of your hair. Okay, this part is more in width than this back part. So you're putting in consideration that when you're sectioning your hair, your front part is should be more than your back part when in quantity, all right? So after doing that, you're going to brush out your hair again to remove every tangle, and then we're using our thumb finger and our forefingers to grip and scoop the hair. This portion says A, and then the other portion says B, and then we handle a third portion as C. Okay, for that, to remove every obstruction, I'm going to be packing out or clipping in the remaining portion of the hair I'm not going to be working with, and then concentrate on the portion that we are going to be working with. So I'm using my four fingers and my index finger. I'm gripping my hair first as A, and then the second as B, but there's going to be a third one. I'm going to use my four fingers to make out the C. All right, is that clear enough? So I'm taking my forefinger from my other hand. So we have A, B, and I'm using my forefinger from the other hand and simply crossing over. I'll handle it first and then use my other four fingers and cross this the to the B portion and scoop while crossing and grab. All right, I'm leaving that, holding it again, using my forefinger, turning over to the B side, crossing it through the C, taking it and passing it underneath. All right, I'm using that forefinger. I'm crossing from the C over to the A. I'm grabbing while doing that. I'm scooping while doing that. And I'm repeating again, scooping to the B side using my C and my four fingers. Let's go again. I'm holding it now, crossing over, scooping and gripping while doing that, crossing over again to the other A side, scooping and grabbing while doing so, grabbing with both hands, scooping and grabbing. While doing that, hold firmly, scooping towards the back using this hand, my four fingers. I'm going to be scooping downwards using the other four fingers. I'm going to be scooping backward and downwards, and I'm grabbing it tightly while doing so. Okay, using my forefinger again, I'm scooping backward, crossing over to the B, holding firmly and tightly, crossing over again to the A with my C, and crossing over again and again. The process just continues. All right, be patient, watch carefully, try it again, pause this video if you can, repeat the process over again. All right, I'm grabbing. Remember, using your middle finger, your forefinger, and your index finger. It does all of the job, all right? And then you start doing crisscross from A to B to through the C, grabbing downwards and backward using your forefinger while doing so. All right. If it's not clear enough, I'd like you to pause it, start all over again, look at it closely. You can do it, it's very achievable. All right. Repeat the process. Practice, constant practice, my dear. Practice, and with time, you will become perfect in the act of cornrolling your own hair and possibly cornrow that of others. All right. My name is Almost House. I do tutorial and hair videos. Feel free to subscribe to the channel and turn on the post notification bell so you get notified whenever I post a new video. See you in my next one.